Let's go. Going bike riding. There it is, the Trek bike. Yep, that's it. It's a nice bike. Expensive. It's not a $3,000 bike though, but you know, it's a pretty nice bike. Got kind of the fatter wheels on it. I'm putting my head down so that hopefully the GoPro is checking the wheels out. Little fatter wheels. I got a nice seat on it. Then I put this cover on it from my other bike just to be more comfortable, but I figured I'd take it for a spin today. See how I do. Using the GoPro Hero 11 Media Mod. I have my phone in my back pocket. I don't think it'll fall out. Oh yeah. There's some tennis matches going on over here at East Valley, and I want to take a look at them. But in order to get my daily exercise, I figured I'd go on a bike ride, get my heart rate pumping, and go from there. This is uphill. I think districts might be going on for these schools. I don't remember if East Valley is a 2A school or a 3A school. Back in the day, it used to be a 2A school. Hopefully nobody runs me over today. Whew. I bought this bike, was it yesterday? And I got some thicker tubes in it so it doesn't get thorns in it. I had the guy put some goo in it. That way it's ready to rock and roll. Oh, there's a bike trail right here. I'm using the Media Mod, and it's not windy, but I can hear the wind. I can hear the wind as I'm driving by. I like living out here in Moxie. It's pretty quiet. Not really any crime unless you got that one idiot that just wants to do something dumb, you know? Maybe I can ride on the sidewalk. It's like all downhill from here. Make sure I don't skid this sign right here. Ooh, got it. Barbed wire. Make sure I don't crash into the fence and then flop up on the barbed wire, right? Don't want that to happen. That would suck. You know, I grew up playing a lot of tennis. I'm always excited to watch tennis, play it myself. Just got into pickleball recently. But as a tennis player, I think I'm ranked like 20, 22, 20 or 21 or 22 in the Pacific Northwest in my division, which is pretty cool. But it's expensive to travel and, you know, and to eat and hotels, and then my kids and, you know, my wife, my family wants to go. It gets pricey, but it's still fun. I enjoy it. It's always a good time. Sorry, I try not to look down with the GoPro. It's just a bad habit. Got some guys putting gas in right here. I don't even know how far this is, but we're just going for the ride. Wonder if I'll know anybody when I get here. Small world, you know? A lot of semis truck go through here. There's an Apple warehouse right here called Olympic Fruit. As a matter of fact, I think I inadvertently do business with them through a distributor. Man, this bike rides smooth. Smooth, the gear shifting's awesome. It's pretty sweet, man. Oh, I was wondering if I'd have to ride off of this. Looks like I'm going uphill now. Hopefully nobody runs me over. I don't know the rules anymore if you can ride your bike on the sidewalk or if I have to be in between this crap. I don't know. I'll just keep doing the sidewalk thing until a cop tells me something. And then I might question it still. It's about 11 a.m. I think, or close to that. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. Nice bike ride. This is a leg workout right here. Whew. I don't like having cars behind me, so let's ride on this side. This is all uphill. Whew. Can't believe this bike can hold me. I used to weigh about 245. I'm at like 234 right now. Got to get to 230, 225, and then 220. Weightlifting, walking, riding my bike. Try to eat healthy. I still eat though, you know. Those dogs want to eat me. Oh yeah, I can see the tennis players from here. That's where we're going. Let's go check them out. I'm thankful for everything, you know, my family, work, businesses, everything, man. I'm thankful. Coaching, you know, I want to be an influence to these little kids, be the best I can be, you know, as a leader, a dad, a son. I'm always reevaluating how I act. I'm not perfect, you know, I can always do better. I wish I would have knew that when I was 21, 22. Here's East Valley Middle School. This is where I coach basketball Mondays and Wednesdays. Lawnmower guy was coming. Whew, this is a leg workout, man. This is all uphill right here. I'm in gear number 2. So this is where my son and daughter go to school. Right here. Good school. Decent school. Good school. Oh, we're almost here. Yeah, we made it. See if there's any good players. Got some doubles going on. I'm sure I could whip everybody here. I'm also way older. No, I'm just being cocky. Oh, East Valley's playing. East Valley versus Ephrata.
Yeah, you don't know about that. She should have said, yeah, when I check in you can't say you shut up and lead.
At West Point Grace. Oh, okay. Or, you know. Hi, Mom. No?
Emily's out.
They lost.
Yeah, they lost.
Oh, so they didn't lose on.
Nice serve.
Good.
Nice job, boys. So they lost to a great this morning. Yeah. But they did it the first set. But it worked out right now.
Good serve.
Nice serve. Being in Ram is what I was so used to. Nice serve. Ah, big.
I'm gonna have my son play next year. It'll be fun.
Nice job, Taylor. And May. Bye. Nice. Good job.
Nice, again.
Don't be aggressive.
Big girl.
Good slice. Another slice, backhand. Cross court. Boom.
All right.
Nice shot. And I loved playing tennis growing up. Still love it now. Still love it now. Is this districts? Wonder if it is. Boys doubles. Dude, hopefully Hooper and Locke make it so they can get number 3 seed. That'd be cool. Excuse me. Sorry about. Is this districts?
Yes.
Oh, it is. I was wondering. I was like, they're playing during high school time.
I know, right? They all get out of school. I love it.
Yeah, I was watching Hooper and Locke. Hey,
Oh, yeah, they're right over there.
Yeah, they're pretty good at doubles.
Yeah, they are.
I watched Mr. Locke's son play a lot of basketball.
Oh, yeah,
that's cool.
definitely. Yep.
That's neat. So do you know where regionals is held at?
I don't.
And just so I understand this, if Hooper and Locke win, and then they win again,
Yep.
they can take number 3 seed to go to regionals?
Yes.
Oh, so they still have a
But
chance.
I feel like I got winner to crossover. I feel like the winner goes to state. I don't know if there's regionals anymore.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
Well, maybe I'll ask Mr. Elder.
Yeah, he'll.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yeah.
What's up, Elder?
Not much.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Fabian, in case you forgot my name.
Yeah, yeah.
How are these guys doing?
They're doing all right.
That's
They're
good. I was
playing
looking.
to stay alive. So we got our entire boys team still in the tournament.
Nice.
Uh,
Singles too?
yeah,
Everybody, huh?
everybody's out. So this is winner of consolations. That's district championship over there. And so,
If they can still make it to 3rd seed, right, and go to.
Yeah.
Do you guys have regionals? Or you
Yeah,
guys go
we have
straight to.
regionals.
Oh, you guys. Where's that played at?
here
Oh, it's here too.
on Saturday.
This Saturday.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah. Hopefully they keep winning.
Yeah. It's just got a lot of people out right now in court.
Oh yeah. Could be tough to manage.
Yeah.
So your girls didn't do that good?
No, they're actually doing all right. They're battling for the district title right now, but they I got my daughter playing, and then my number 1 doubles are playing, and then my number 2 singles girl just got another.
Oh.
But I don't think they're gonna. We're gonna finish second, I think, in the points for district title.
Not bad. Do you know Don Judy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been, I guess, playing with him since I was like 8 years old.
Yeah.
My son was taking lessons with him, having him do some stuff, before school started, or actually before winter came. But yeah, he was at Sela forever, and then I think he's over in the Lower Valley.
He's
somewhere.
he's coaching a Prosper.
Yeah, I wonder how they're doing.
They're
I wonder. Oh, they're out completely.
yeah, they were out after the second day.
I think maybe a year or two they had a really good club player, and he was just whipping everybody. maybe 2-3 years ago.
Yeah, he didn't make it too far though.
Oh, he did. He just here, and then that was it, huh?
Yeah. He was probably like 3 or 4 in the league.
Oh wow.
You out of here?
Yeah, I got a board meeting out of coach.
Thanks for coming by.
No,
Kim.
no.
I appreciate it.
No, squad is good.
Yeah. Hopefully she can hang on here. This girl's tough. She just gets the ball back.
She'll get it.
Hope so.
Seems like they both struggle with the controls.
So we'll see if she can get a break here. Put more pressure on her. She had that second one.
Really
So they have district regionals and state regionals here on Saturday. Hopefully these guys have a couple players, which would be cool.
I gotta go over and check the see if he's gonna
So if she wins today, then she's done.
Coach, you want them to get new balls in between sets?
Yes.
See ya.
Mr. Earl, have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, take it easy. Hopefully these doubles guys win right here.
Nice shot. Good job.
Tony, are you at lunch right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, she's on you. I don't have a phone.
No, I know. But this is my new
I don't have a new schedule.
wait for next year or whatever.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
your schedule.
They need me to tell them what it was.
Oh.
Are they winning?
Man, what it would be to go back to high school and play again, or even elementary school. Look at these guys, no worries in the world. Playing soccer, playing on the toys, having a good old time. All right, I better get back.
They need to be doing that. That's my bad. This would be in March.
Looks like that doubles match. They're up East Valley 4-3. Hopefully they can take it. Well, they have different schools here. That's Sela. You know what? So I was thinking it was just Ephrata versus East Valley, but it's not. It's all the kids that make it to districts. Ooh, short ball, should have killed it, but he didn't. Man, I'm gonna go get my ball machine and hit. At least regionals is next week, which is cool. Ooh, moving them around, moving them back and forth. A lot of this high school tennis is, how do I say it? If you can play the point 3 or 4 times, don't make the mistake, you're gonna win. Obviously that's obvious, right? So it's kind of one of those things. I love tennis, man. I've been playing since I was a kid and I enjoy it. I wish I could go back sometimes and just play again. It was fun. I had a good time. Yeah, but that's why I tell my kids, man, take advantage of all the sports you're doing. My son plays football, plays basketball, and we're about to start the club for tennis. That way he can come in as a freshman and be a threat, right? And hopefully he can go to state if he's good enough. I had him playing since he was a little kid and on and off, so he can hit the ball. He needs a stronger serve, but Fabian's pretty consistent. The good thing about him is he's very competitive. My daughter, you know, she plays, she'll do volleyball, basketball, and soccer. Those are her sports. My son over here, Fabian! Nope, guess not. I gotta head home. I'm selling something to a lady coming from Grandview, so might as well get my butt back to home, get some work done. Hopefully you've enjoyed the bike ride, a little bit of tennis, chatting to a couple people, you know, and just enjoying myself, you know. That's one thing you can never get back is your time, right? Time is everything. Everybody's working 40 hours a week because they think that's the norm, but it's not. I mean, I guess it's been like that forever, but how about trying to do your own business where you have a lot more freedom? Easier said than done, right? Trust me. But I think one thing that one thing that you ask any millionaire or billionaire is, hey, What's one thing that you could get that you wish you had more of? Well, they wish they had more time, right? A lot of them were building up these big businesses and not really valuing their family, or going through a divorce because they valued money over everything. And me, I'm at a point where I value my time and my family. I don't really want to work on the weekends. Sometimes I may pick up a photo shoot here and there, but not all the time, right? I'd rather value my time. That's the big thing. So, you know, my goal is to retire in my probably at 50 or early 50s, but still broker business, still work on what I'm working on, still have fun. Worst case scenario, you know, I can keep doing something else, I guess, but that's the goal. Those are my goals, right? Spend time with my family, coach my kids in basketball, tennis, spend time with Esme, just go on vacations, you know, the good old stuff. But everyone else is just, a lot of people are doing the stinky rat race, right? Which is unfortunate. So hopefully you all can make a ton of money and take some time off or something, but I'd rather just I don't want to work for the rest of my life. Doesn't mean I'm lazy, but I'll tell you what, I'm working smarter, not harder. Look what I'm doing right now on a Tuesday, riding my bike, and I'm thankful and grateful. But I've also had to work hard to get here. So one thing I don't like is having to travel all the time. People think it's so glorious. Is it fine? It's okay. I mean, living out of a hotel sucks. You know, I'll be gone in June. I'll be traveling 3 weeks out of the month, plus taking my kids to Hoop Fest. My boy's playing in it. I got him on, my 8th grade boy, Fabian. I got him on a Hoop Fest team. 8th grade, couple East Side guys, or West Side guys from Seattle. I think they go to East Side Prep. So they reached out and put him on a team. And then I got my 1st grade team going. A few kids. I couldn't take my whole team as much as I want to. However, when Hot Shots comes around, I'll get a couple teams going. Unfortunately, might have to leave out a kid or two, but because they're only 4-man teams, that's just how it goes, you know. But thankful for everything. Hopefully this mic picks up everything that I'm chatting about. I mean, I have it on my head currently, and oh my god, I gotta go uphill the whole way. It's all right, I'll just downshift, right? You know, I don't know, I'm recording, I think, in 4 or 5K, and I don't know how long this GoPro will last. I think on a heat test, if it was 100 degrees outside, even 90, I might get 45 minutes out of it because the battery just gets too hot. But I do have 3 or 4 batteries. However, I only brought 1 on this ride. So I figured I'd record my little journey real quick, go back home. East Valley, they're having regionals for tennis next week, Saturday. I'd love to go. However, I got a Mamba tournament for my son. Team asked to pick him up so he can play with them. And then I got my 1st grade team playing up a level. See how we do. We've kind of been whipping everybody in the league, so we're gonna play up and see how it goes. It'll humble us a little bit, but we need it, right? As a coach, getting beat by 10, 20, 30, if that happens, allows me to analyze and figure out what we need to do better. You know, a lot of people think coaching is just easy. Oh, I can just stand there. You're not just standing there yelling at kids. You're analyzing, you're making split decisions, you're trying to call timeouts when needed, you're trying to keep track of whose possession it is. There's a lot that goes into it. I love both my boys. That's why I coach them. Love my daughters too. I have big dreams for all my kids, but for the twins, it's very special for me. One of the things was, growing up, I didn't have a lot of people to play tennis with. My Uncle Eddie, God rest his soul and God bless him. He's been dead now almost 20 years, but I used to go play with him all the time. I used to go play with my dad. I used to ride my bike all the way to Larson Park at YVC, and they used to have these concrete walls to hit the ball off of. I play by myself, but the twins, there's 2 of them, right? I don't gotta find another little kid for them to hit. They can hit with each other. And my dream, which is unrealistic, is to have my daughters play at the US Open. And you know what? I know what it takes to get there. And I know what it takes to get there mentally. I know what it takes to get there financially. And because I have the financial backing of myself and my wife, we're gonna do what it takes to get my kids there. But when these little girls turn 3, they're getting a tennis racket for their birthday. And they're going to the tennis club. I'm gonna train them. And I want them to be a force. Whether it's doubles or singles. But I also don't want to be the dad that that pushes them to where they hate it. However, it's what it takes, right? If you think these oh my god, this hill is a battle. If anyone thinks that it's easy to be on TV like that, they put the work in. Hours and hours and hours, you know? Wasn't given to them, they've earned it, right? You get a promotion at work, you earned it. You get a raise, you earned it. Someone tells you you're doing a good job because you earned it, right? So those are my goals for my kids. They don't know it yet, but we call that an unrealistic dream, because it is. Waved at me, I waved at him. It's right on this asphalt. Anyways, those are my goals for my girls. My son Fabian, he wants to be a firefighter or a doctor or a dentist. We'll see what happens. My daughter's gonna be a doctor. She's a smart girl, all advanced classes. Fabian's smart too. But Haley will be a doctor. There's no ands, ifs, or buts. That's what she wants to do. Pediatrician, probably. Xavier, I don't care what he does. He'll hang out with me for a while, I guess. You know, he's a little boy, he's only 7. He'll figure it out. Anyways, I love being alive. I'm thankful for everything I have. So if you're not thankful, you better look in that mirror, reevaluate, because life is short, man. You're only here for a little bit of time, then it's over. So enjoy it. I'm enjoying it. I got a photo shoot for my first graders today. I'm excited to do it. Pictures will come out great. Not because I'm doing it, but I have good equipment, you know? And I love it, it's fun. I enjoy it. You wanna know what my dream was growing up? It wasn't doing the businesses that I'm doing now. It was I wanted to be a professional tennis player or coach professionally. That was my dream. Hasn't happened yet. I would take less money to do that full time, because I love it, man. I love playing, love coaching. Seeing, like, even coaching my first grade basketball team, seeing them improve has been such a blessing. Parents see it, everybody sees it, you know, and I just want to keep them together if we can. That way, if I live long enough, we go to a state championship, man. I'll be there right with them celebrating. And not only because it's them, because my little first grader's on that team. So hopefully I can turn these guys into little basketball monsters. and go from there. It'll be fun, man. It's starting to rain. This is perfect timing. Whew. There's the Casa. There's a Suburban, the Camry, the truck, the other truck. Back to riding this bike. It has been a blast. I don't have a kickstand on it. It has an option for one. Anyways, oh, I've been recording for 44 minutes. I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. I kind of started a YouTube channel just for the hell of it, right? Put my kids on it, put myself, talk about the stock market, finances, talk about, you know, just life in general, having a good time. That's what I did it for, you know. But I want to thank you for 100 subscribers wholeheartedly. It was a goal to get there. The next goal is to do 1,000, right? And my content's not special. It's just, hey, what I'm doing today, what I'm doing tomorrow, you know, try to give people advice, play some video games here and there. I don't get a lot of time to do that, but I just, I appreciate each and every one of you and everyone that watches, you know. Hopefully you learned something today or learned something yesterday or something tomorrow. But now it's time for me to have some lunch, get ready. I got somebody coming over to buy something, and that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay blessed, be thankful, be humble, love everyone if you can, be the best you can be, and give it 110%. That's what I do, all right? I wear my heart on my sleeve. So anyways, enough about me. Back to the bike real quick. This bike here, it was a fun ride. It cruised really well. Gear shifted good. It's a nice bike. I liked riding it. I'm a little sweaty now, but anyways, have a good day. Happy Tuesday. Have a good rest of your week. And until next time, until the next video, right? Coming right up here in the next day or two. Take care.